Assalamualaikum. Today we discuss about, do business credit card affect on personal credit or not? Business credit card affect the personal credit scores or not? Nearly all small businesses card require a personal guarantee, but not all of them report to Consumer Credit Bureau. If you are trying to keep your business or side hustle completely separate from your personal finance, it might make your stomach sink to see your business credit card and how up on your personal credit report. That's because it means your credit score could suffer because of high debt or late payment on business card. Entrepreneur may be able to reduce that risk by using a card that does not report amount activity to consumer credit bureau. Some business credit cards report only to the commercial credit bureau, not consumer credit bureau. Some report to consumer bureau only if you fall way behind on your payment. Near Wallet reached out of the representative from 9 major credit card issuers and asked how they report business credit card activity. Here's what we found. Does issuer report small business credit and activity to consumer credit bureau? Yes, but only negative information. American Express only give negative information, and its report small business credit card activity commercial credit bureau. Bank of America does not issue a report small business credit and activity of consumers credit bureau, but the Bank of America is issuer report small businesses credit activity to commercial credit bureau. WBVA also not issue report small issues the small business credit card and activity, and WBVA also issue report small business credit card and activity commercial card bureau. Capital One both have yes and Chase no unless the account is seriously delinquent, or Citi also no, but in the report of small business credit activity in also yes. Wells Fargo also. Capital One hold help me build credit.com. The new account on the Capital One Spark Cash for business would no longer be reported to Consumer Credit Bureau. As long as account was in good standing, it appears that Consumer Credit Bureau reporting will continue as before on pre-existing account as well as all of Capital One's other Spark branded cards. It is informative. It is important to note that even when business and credit activity is reported to Consumer Credit Bureau, it affects only the credit of the primary card holder. The entrepreneur who applied for the card and personally guarantee the debt on the account. Employees who carry company issues credit card generally would not see the activity appear in their personal credit reports. Further, even if the card does not report to Consumer Bureau, the personal guarantee remain in effect. The entrepreneur is on the hook for the debt on the account if that debt goes unpaid and ends up in collection of court. That could be reflected on cash holder or card holder personal credit report and damage their credit score. Lines between personal and business can blur. When business credit and activity show up on your credit report, it's treated that same as any other credit card debt by both of the FICO and Vantage Score credit scoring method. Data from that account will affect your length to credit history, credit utilization, and payment history among their factors. Assuming you have a card that report to both commercial and consumer credit bureau, what should we expect? If you pay on time and stay well under your limit, the account may improve both your personal and business credit scores. This could make it easier to qualify for loan on good terms and negotiate government contracts. If you miss a payment or used to make available credit, the account could hurt both your personal and business credit scores. Even if you close your card, its history could stay on your personal credit card report for up to 10 years. When you can apply for a new business credit card, it typically shows up on your credit report as a hard inquiry, regardless of how it report afterward. This could temporarily drain your credit, but it does not necessarily to indicate the issuer will report the card's activity to Consumer Credit Bureau. Should I get a business card that does not affect personal credit? If you can imagine making a few slips ups the business credit, you might want to get a card that does not report to Consumer Credit Bureau as a precaution, but generally it's a better idea to apply for the card that offers the reward and benefits you are most interested in, instead of focusing on cards reporting policy. If you can imagine a few slips ups with business credit, you might want to get a card that does not report to Consumer Credit Bureau as a precaution, but generally it's better idea to apply for the card that offers the reward and benefits you are most interested in, instead of focusing on the card's reporting policy. It's important to be mindful to how your business credit cards affect your personal credit, but don't make a mistake to thinking you can get rid of all your personal liability by choosing a business credit card that does not report to Consumer Credit Bureau. If you want to protect your personal assets, your best bet is to borrow sparingly and pay your bill on time every time. Some banks are available for that to compare card. Also, American Express, View Business Cash Card, Capital One Spark Card, Cash Plus Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. Need wallet rating. Basically, annual fee is nil and regular apart 13.49% to 21.49%. Variable ARP and rates and fees also. Intro APR 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from the date of account is opening. Recommended credit score 850 excellent or 690 is good. Capital on Spark Cash Plus. Net wallet rating. Basically, annual fee is nil, regular APR is also nil, and intro APR nil. 690 good and 850 recommended credit score is excellent. एक business cash card credit card. Annual fee is nil, regular APR 13.49% to 19.49%, variable APR, and intro APR 0% intro APR on purchasing for 12 months.